Huh? Are you sure about that? Do you want Sassy to lose again?
Well, this time, I guarantee you that Sassy will win.
So, what race do you have in mind?
I want a ring race.
And what's a ring race?
The first bird who can drop 3 rings into the pool, the fastest is the winner. And that is a ring race.
So the ring race it shall be. Remember that boys already have 1 point. So girls, let's show louder for Sassy to win this time. We'll be doing this again, and this time our ring race. Ready, set, go! Here's Rock at the first ring. What can you say about that? 3 rings at the same time.
Hey, you guys cheated!
Oh, you cheated?
No, we didn't cheat. Sassy used her brain.
Oh, so it's true that girls are more intelligent than boys? A round of applause for Sassy and Rocky, the trainer-in-chief and trainer duo.
Oh, yung cute.
Morals are particularly known to be intelligent and perceptive. That's right. We need to enhance their skills and not to get bored. Here is Sassy once again, and she will show us how intelligent she is by putting the shake back to its correct spot. Just like Sassy, we're the boss from South America. They are known to be the gentle giants of the Arab family. It is because they are the second largest next to the Tyson Bombos. They can grow up to 90 centimeters length and can live up to 8 years old. Scientific name is Arachlorogera. They usually feed on seeds, nuts, salts, and minerals. And for the last sheet, come on, Sassy.
Galing ni Sassy, oh.
Sorry,
And there you go, intelligent boy. Give a round of applause for Sassy. So this time, I need an adult volunteer with 500 peso bill. Once again, I need an adult volunteer with 500 peso bill. Anyone here who wants to be our lucky volunteer for today, just raise your hands and my co-trainer will choose one. Facing this way, extend your left arm, just like this. As I put your money between your fingers. Now, ma'am, do you have any idea what will happen next? Any idea? Well, now let's call our money bird, Bahari. Bahari is also our Molucan Kakatu.
Ibang bird naman.
Name, Kakatuan Olicensis. These birds inhabit in eastern Indonesia, and they are the largest among the white cockatoos.
Ayun yung kaganina.
Hindi.
Kaganina pa yan. Ayun yung unang pinalabas.
And he gets the money and drives back. And I think Bobby will donate the money. A round of applause to our donor.
Donate the
And
money.
here you go. I have a question for you. Did you know that Manila Ocean Park is also a rescue center for birds? Well,
Donation.
your money will go a long way and you're very, very grateful. You may now go back to your seat and enjoy the rest of the show. Anyone else? How about the rest of this time? No more? No bungee. Excuse me. Are you okay? You sure? You look so sad. Oh, we're just kidding. It's all part of the show. Please stand back here in front and we will give your money back. Buddy's saying something. Before Buddy gives your money back, Buddy wants to give you a kiss. Is that okay? Okay, ma'am. Look at your camera and offer your cheese. Wow, so sweet. One more. Hold up on your hand. Just open your palm. Look at the camera. gentlemen, now to met our colorful and intelligent parrots, we would like to show you another species of
Galing
bird
na.
here at Manila Ocean Park. Birds of prey are also known as raptors, hunt and feed by other animals. The term raptors came from the Latin word rapere, meaning to seize or to take by force. These birds are characterized by their keen vision that allows them to detect prey during flight. They also have powerful talons and beaks. Ladies and gentlemen, please to your left, presenting our prominent guy, here comes Shadow. Prominent guy are also being serious students. One of the these birds are not in the gap. These sharp eyes trunks that along China. These are the birds of Korea. They are locally known as Slavic or Badongi Visayas region. And now let us all welcome our chickens. And as you can see, we have our
Ah, chicken! Walang yan. Ay, ang dami! Ang dami! Oh, cute! Ayun, taas ng ano naman niyo.
So here's our number one, and then we'll show us the proper ways to dispose of.
Oh, ayun po. Oh, yung galing si Ma'am Josie dito sa area. Ang ganda oh.
See, if our lovebirds would do it, we believe that so can everybody. Ladies and gentlemen, we all hope you enjoyed our show. Are the birds spectacular? Well, in our own way, no matter how small that works, let's take action in saving them from exploitation or even extinction. Please, let's all work hard in saving the world, because remember, this is the only hope we've got. Now, let me present to you the birds the trainers who make the show possible. Trainer Vince with Body. Trainer Michelle with Sassy. Trainer David with Rocky. Trainer Birds with Chaco. Trainer Regine with Hassel. And once again, I'm Trainer Mikey.
Ang ganda na no?
Thank you and goodbye.
Wow!
By the way, guys, please remain in your seat because we still have the still our show. And please do not cross the yellow line. Thank you.
Happy na ba yun?
Yay!